Hey everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. It is 10 to 9 on Saturday morning, and today is the day I'm getting a haircut. I'm getting rid of this, all of this length here that's totally fried. So we'll see what happens. This is my color in a dark gray day. I don't know if you like it. I think it's a little bit dark, but my hair feels a little bit better. That Shwarzkopf product is pretty good actually. So I purchased this shampoo, conditioner, and a oh, it's still in the car, so I'm going to show you right now. Is it in the car still? Yeah. Okay, so I got the leave-in conditioner. It's called Gliss Fiber Therapy. You got to shake it. It smells wonderful. It's actually not bad. I tried it in the car yesterday, and it took care of the frizz that I had on top of my head, so that's a plus. And then I got their Fiber Therapy shampoo. They have three different ones. They have a black, gold, and a purple one. And on the old keratin treatment, and on the color that I bought the other day that I did my hair with, they used the purple product. So I figured, let me get the purple one. So this is the shampoo. I'll put the link down below if you want to get you one. It wasn't expensive, but my other store doesn't have it. It was, where did I get that? I got that at the Walgreens in Jersey City. And then here's the conditioner. They both smell really, really nice. Yeah, it smells fresh and salon-like. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I'm not filming inside today because I am in town. I'm in a local salon, and I kind of like avoid filming in town. So I'll see you when I'm done. My mom wants me to get it really, really short. I don't know if it's really something that I want. I know I want volume here. I don't want flat here. I want volume here and volume here. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you in a bit with my new haircut. Okay, I'm back home. Are you ready? Here you go. Here's the back. It's short, it's short, it's short, it's short, it's short. I got my hair short. How'd you like it? It's totally different. I'm trying to see if I can get you a black back or different background. Okay, so here's my hair. I cut it short, y'all, and you know what? I think it looks good. It opens up my face. I definitely need to lose weight. I'm not crazy about the texture. I think that she put a product that made it kind of sandy. I wish it was a little bit shinier, but she wanted to blow dry it and make it straight, and I told her, I don't know if that's gonna look good, and it looked horrible. The hair was coming up like this. So I said to her, okay, you know what, let's re-wet it, and oops, losing. So you can, oh, with the mirror you can see the back. So I said to her, let's re-wet it and kind of like crunch it up and do the curls, because that's really, you know, most of the days this is how I'm gonna wear it. So you tell me down below, what do you think? Do you think this is a good look for me? It definitely is totally different. I wanted my hair short. I got my hair short. I wanted no fuss, you know, look. I just want to be able to get out of the shower, maybe blow dry it real quick, put some product on it, get out the door. That's it. I don't have time to blow dry anything. So I mean, I could wear it a little bit forward. I could do more volume on it, you know. We'll see how it grows out. But anywho, you tell me down below how you like it. If you think this is a good look for me to have my hair cut short like this. I've had my hair this short before, actually 26 years ago when I came to the US. This is how I had my hair. So I've had my hair like this before. My mom likes it better this way. Personally, I think that if I have less hair here, I look better, because it makes me look so heavy. So some of you are going to hate it. Some of you are going to think it's really cute. Some of you will think it's great. It's gonna be, the spectrum is gonna go all over the place. I'm at about 70%. I like it 70%. I think I can do better with a better product on it, you know, kind of like, or maybe even a barrel. Kind of define the hair a little bit more so it's not that kind of a you know, fuzz. But anyway, it's Saturday morning. I finally got the hair done. I gotta move on with my life now. I got stuff to do, and I'm doing a procrastination buster today. Something I said I was gonna do forever. forever now, and I'm finally getting to do it. And it's putting Scott's uniform in the shadow box because that's going in the staircase down to the basement. So you all know I'm in the dining room. Here is the shadow box that I have. I bought that years ago. Years. That's how long I've procrastinated this. Okay. And then here is Scott's navy uniform. That's his regular one. It's not his dress uniform. The dress one is navy blue. I don't know where that is. I think it's still in Ohio, but Navy people. He was on the USS Independence, and he was OS2. He was in the radar room. So I have the shirt. I have the, I don't know what you call it. We're gonna say it's a hat. Okay. So we have his little navy thing. And then I have all of these here, and I ask him what we're gonna do and which one he wants. So obviously we're keeping the bars, right? We're here, we're keeping the Armed Force Expeditionary Service. He was in, he's a veteran. He was in Operation Desert Shield. Here is Scott, so that's the uniform. And then the other one is the blue one, and that one, look at Scott. Look at Scott. I like him better here, actually. Yes, he had hair once. Yes. So I'm keeping this picture. We're going to put that in. We're going to put the Desert Shield in. And then he wants to put all of this stuff in there. So I have his dog tags. His insignia. I don't know anything about this stuff. The big USS Independence patch. And then a button from his pea coat, USS Independence, US Navy, shell back. Don't know what that means, but I think it's got to do with crossing the equator or something like that. I'm not sure. And then the USS Independence little button. So I have pins. I have, well, I don't have it yet. Scott went to get it. Tissue paper to puff up the shirt. I don't want to put the pants in. I asked him, do you want the pants? He says, no, the shirt is fine. So we're just going to do the shirt and all of this stuff and display it in the shadow box. You know, I've never done a shadow box before, so that's going to be interesting. So let's open it. I hope it's velvet inside. Let's see. How do you open this? Oh, here we go. Okay, it's not velvet. It's kind of like a felt padding thing. So they gave me some pins, but I have more just in case. Okay, so I'm going to assume that we're only going to work on this, and then we'll put the rest back on. And the shirt obviously is bigger. Okay. I don't know if you're supposed to keep this. That's the label. I don't know. Okay. I may have to puff that up. All right. So I know that I want to show this. I want to keep this going straight down. So the only way that I can do that is by putting the shirt in diagonal. You see that? Okay. What did you get?
Here you go.
You went out for tissue paper.
Oh, tissue paper.
No, come on. You didn't buy tissue paper?
Is that what I went for?
You didn't buy tissue paper?
Oh, man.
You're joking, right? Oh, well, okay. Whatever. He bought M&M's instead of tissue paper. I can't count on him, I'm telling you. We got chili chocolate. Okay, see, that's what happens when you let the husband go to the store by himself, okay? He bought chocolate, Snickers, M&M's, Reese's peanut butter, and shaving cream. Before you all freak out, he obviously bought stuff for Halloween. But we're gonna have to hide it. Listen, Halloween for some reason on our street is like the biggest hub for Halloween every year. It's like you get 200, 300 kids. It's crazy. It starts at 4 o'clock and ends at 9 p.m. Most of the time we get out of here because we run out, oh, thank you, tissue paper. We run out of candy in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, it's real fast.
Really fast. All right, so listen, I'm putting your uniform on a diagonal like this. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
You don't care, do you? Because I want the insignia with the two bars right here.
Chevrons?
Yeah, what, you know, okay, what do you call this?
Well, I was a petty officer, so this is a second-class petty officer.
Okay, so I want this straight. And the only way to do it is to have the shirt sideways.
Okay.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a big injury to the Navy people? No?
To the Navy people.
Yeah, it's not? Okay. So this is the best I can do. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. So I have this one like this. So what I need to do is try to figure out a way to pin it down. And then this I have to pin it down. And then I'm going to puff it up over here, minus my hair. Okay, so I have to pin a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know what to do with this here. I got to ask Scott. Scott, what do I do with this? Because I was thinking about just putting tissue paper here. So you don't care if this shows, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay, so can I put tissue paper like?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to pin this here. Okay. So Scott just informed me that apparently he has 4 uniforms, and this one is a work uniform. And
Yeah, it was like if you go for training or, you know, temporary assignment for training or something like that, where you have to perform a function or, you know, at least look presentable but not be in dress uniform. That's what this was for.
okay, so we're missing the white dress uniform.
Yep.
We're missing the blue dress uniform.
Yep.
And what else?
The blue working dress uniform.
Okay, so all of those are in Ohio still?
I don't know. I thought we brought some of those back. I thought we brought the dress blue back. The dress blue is actually more attractive.
Well,
the dress blue is actually more attractive than the.
all right. So what we'll do is that we'll look for it again.
Yeah.
In the house, and then I can have several shadow box. Why not? Why not?
I'm just kidding.
We're proud of you on your Navy. Okay, so let me show you what I'm doing. I don't know how fascinating this is, but you see how I don't like that the pin is showing, right? So what I'm gonna do is go underneath it, like this, and I'm gonna pin it from under. So it stays, right? But you don't see the pin. Okay. And by pinning it behind it, you see it's all staying put. So you can't really see the pins. The pins are inside. So no pin is showing. So moving right along. It's a good look. Listen, we got a problem. The hat is too high for the shadow box. So either it doesn't go in the shadow box or I'll have to fold it.
You might be able to do it. I mean, the trick would be to keep this seam from popping out of the bottom.
All right, so he says this is a better hat, right? But I think this is still too high. Let's find out. So he wanted this hat instead, because this one is softer and this one he actually wore. Well, the other one too, but it's too high, so that looks pretty good. All right, so Scott, we gotta put the medals and stuff. Let me do the tissue paper in here. I'm gonna fold it and do like a design here to fill all of this up with the tissue paper. So I made kind of like a little bib like this, and then I cut it and taped it so that all of this stays together. Flatten it. Nice. Okay, here we go. You see? Let's see if I can give you a close-up. So the color is filled up like this, all right? So you don't see the back of the shirt. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, moving along. So the picture I just put right here above the cap, and it's just resting there with double-sided tape in the back of it. But I gotta wait for him to come back so he can decide where he wants to rest. Okay, the picture's in, and that's the staircase going down to the basement. I still have a patch here that I need to sand, but otherwise, this is what it looks like. So you see it when you come up and when you come down, and I really like it. And Scott likes it too. It looks like it's not going anywhere. I don't know what you think. I like shadow boxes. I think I'm gonna make more because we got a lot of stuff from family, you know, like all the handkerchiefs and things like that. And maybe I'll put Grandma's chaparral hat in one of them. But this looks neat. I like it. We forgot the dog tags. I guess we gotta do it over. We forgot the dog tags. I'll be right back. Okay, much better. I got the dog tags in. We forgot. Alright, so that's done. Hopefully that doesn't fall. We're gonna have to, right now they're just on nails, but I'm gonna have to go get some hooks, picture hooks, so that way no risk for it to fall. So I am liking it. And I hope you like it too, and the haircut. So yeah, it's getting a little flat because I've been putting my glasses on. But anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right in the corner. This was day number 20. I think we got 11 more days. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.